Very good morning, students. I hope all of you fit and healthy at your home with your family. And let's start today's classes. Today's date is 23rd April 2021 and this is your SST class. And your topic is going on the earth, our home. Today we will do the question answer of this chapter. This is your copy work. So everyone take out your SST copy, which is interleaf copy, and I told you also what is the meaning of interleaf copy. It's one page is ruled where you have to write now and one page is plain, and that plain page is used for draw the diagrams. I hope all students are understood now. Okay, then let's start today's class. First, all of you write down the new terms from this chapter, okay, in your copy, and this is the new terms of this chapter. So everyone note down this new terms. Look at here from your book, page number 9. New terms. First is horizon. Horizon means a line where the land and the sky to meet. Understand? Then move to the second is atmosphere. Atmosphere means a layer of air that surrounds the earth. Then move to the third is voyage. It means a long journey on a ship. Last one is astronauts. A person who travels in a spacecraft. I hope all new terms all are understood now. Okay, then move to the next page in your copy and you have to write now, answer the following question. Answer these questions. Okay. Chapter name the earth our home, and next heading is answer these questions. Don't write your class and SST subject in your copy. Only you mention now the date. Okay, then first question is according to your book. First question is write two lines. Write two lines. Write two lines on why. On why we call the earth our home. Why we call the earth our home? Only you have to write now only 2 points. Okay, any 2 points you have to write now. First is answer is, first point is, tell me beta, we grow our food on it. We grow our food, okay, our food on it. Okay, then second point is, what you have to write now beta, tell me, we make our houses. We make our houses on it. Okay, these are 2 points. So everyone note down these points, and you have to write now extra many points also, but the question is asking about only 2 lines. Then move to the next question. Question number 2. When student you are completed now one question, you have to leave here 2 lines. Understand in your copy, and your whole work is in your copy is with pencil. So everyone note down these things. When you have to complete now this question, you have to leave here 2 lines. Then you start now the another question. Okay. The next question is, name 3 things which make life possible on the earth. Name Name three things which make three things which make life possible on the earth. Possible on the earth. Only three things. You know it very well. The three things are: first is land, then second is air, and third one is water. Okay, these are the three things which are present on the earth and that possible the life on the earth. Okay, I hope all things are clear now and all two questions are understood now, and I hope all are learn it very well. Yes, you know. Okay, then move to the next question is question number 3. Then students move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is here. Name the sailor. Name the sailor who proved that the earth is round. Okay, only you have to write now the sailor name. All of you think now, what is the name of the sailor? The sailor name is Ferdinand Magellan. What is the name of the sailor? Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan was the sailor who proved that the earth is round. Okay, these three questions are completed now in your SST class, and students, all of you pay attention on this spelling. Ferdinand Magellan, all of you learn it very well, and this sailor was a Spanish sailor. Okay, he was Spanish, and he proved that the earth is round, not flat. Okay, understand now? And this time to check now your homework, which was given now. How many students are completed now that homework in your book? So I'm check now your homework. Everyone match your homework. Okay, beta. Everyone open now your book. Page number 11. That was activity, and this is activity. Look at here. The activity was based on the earth's surface. I am here read this paragraph also. 3/4 of earth is covered with water, but why do we have to use water wisely? This is because most of water in oceans, sea and lakes is salty. We cannot use this water. What do you do to save water? This is your paragraph, and here are the questions that is based on this. So first question is here, use water wisely. What is the right option here, students? The right option will here is yes, So everyone put here on yes. Okay. Then move to the second is use a bucket of water instead of a shower to have a bath. Think about it, student. Which one is used in a bathroom that save the water? Bucket and shower. You have to use now bucket. Okay. Use a bucket of water instead of a shower to have a bath. Your right option will here yes. Understand? Okay. Then third one is use the left water from your water bottle to water the plants. Left water, it means बचा हुआ पानी in your bottle. What do? That water you can use use that water in the plants. Okay. So this question, what is the answer? Use the left water from your water bottle to water the plant. It is yes. Okay. Then move to the next question is question number 4 is report if there is a leakage in the tap. What do you have? Yes or no? If you see there is a leakage in a tap, then it means you can report now and you can call a plumber. It means according to this question, report if there is a leakage in the tap. The right option will here yes. Okay. I think all students are understand now this activity, and you have to make a picture that is show on the save water. All of you draw now here in your book. That picture is showing you this is to save water. Okay. This is your homework. What is your homework? You have to draw one little small picture that is show to save water. How can you showing now the water is saved? You can draw here that picture and only use pencil colors in that picture. Otherwise don't use crayon colors because that is not good for your book. Okay. So everyone use only pencil colors. Understand? This is your picture work and today's class for enough that. That's all. Okay beta, and remaining question answers we will do in next class. Till then, have a nice day.